Hello everyone, my name is Arvind and today's topic is OCI Azure Partnership. So here we will be implementing interconnection between Microsoft Azure and OCI. The concept of this partnership is to build interconnection between these two cloud providers without the help of any service provider. Let's look at the key benefits of this partnership. It is highly secure and private connection. We are not exposing anything to the internet. It is highly available and reliable because we are using built-in redundant physical connection. It is high performance, low latency, predictable performance compared to the internet. It is straightforward, one-time setup, and we do not need any service provider. That is why it is a cost-effective solution. At the time of recording, the partnership is available between these regions of these cloud providers. This is the architecture diagram of today's lab. We have already created VCN, subnet, VNet in our previous labs. On today's lab, we will be implementing DRG and Fast Connect at OCI end and virtual network gateways and express route at Azure end. We will be implementing two eBGP neighborship between these two cloud providers for redundancy. Let's get into the console of these two cloud providers and start implementing it. This is the Microsoft Azure console. Go to the All Services, Networking, Express Route Circuit. Click Create Express Route Circuit. Select the existing resource group RG and the name for the express route. Express route OCI. Next, port type provider. Create new. Provider is Oracle Cloud Fast Connect. Peering location Washington DC. Bandwidth 1 gig. SKU standard. Billing model metered. Allow classic operations. No. Go to the next one. Tags not required. Click create. Review the configuration and click create. The express route circuit is being provisioned. It will be done in few minutes. The express route circuit has been provisioned. Next, we will create virtual network gateway. All services, networking, virtual network gateways. Click on that. Click create. Virtual network gateways. Gateway type express route. SKU standard. Select the virtual network. Subnet for the virtual network gateway. IP address for the virtual network gateway. We'll create a new one. Next, we do not need tags. Go to the next section. Review and click create. Next, we will be creating a route table. Click all services, route table. Click route table. Create a route table. Select the existing resource group, region East US, and we'll enter the name RT. Click create. Click on the route table we have created just now. First, we will associate this route table with our public subnet. Click on subnets, associate, select the VNet and select the subnet. Click OK. The public subnet has been associated with the route table. Now we will add route rules. Go to the routes, add, give a name to it, route to OCI. We'll provide the prefix of the OCI 172.16.0.0/16 and it will route towards virtual network gateway. Click OK. Next, go to all services, click on express route OCI. This is the service key we need at OCI end for the interconnection. Now we will move on to OCI console and start implementing Fast Connect. We have logged into the OCI console. Go to the networking, click dynamic routing gateway, create dynamic routing gateway. give a user-friendly name, Azure DRG, click create. DRG has been created. Now we will associate the VCN we have created earlier. Select the VCN we have created earlier and click attach. We'll go to the VCN and add a route for Azure. Click route tables, default route table, add a route type DRG and CIDR block of Azure. Next, we will go to Fast Connect, Networking, Fast Connect. Click Create Fast Connect. Select Fast Connect Partner. Select Microsoft Azure Express Route. Click Next. Give a name, Fast Connect Azure. Private Virtual Circuit, Azure DRG, bandwidth 1 Gbps. Now we need a partner service key, which we will get it from Azure Express Route. This is the service key. We will copy it and paste it here. Now we need BGP IP address for peering, 192.168.0.1/30 2/35 and this is 6. Click create. The fast connectivity to Express route has been created and it will be provisioned within few minutes. And once the BGP neighborship comes up, you will see the status change here. You can check the BGP configuration on BGP information tab. This is the autonomous system number of OCI and this is the autonomous system number of Microsoft Azure. And these are our BGP configuration for primary and secondary link. Let's move to the Microsoft Azure console and see the status. If you look at here, the status has been changed to provisioned. Now we will create a connection from Virtual Network Gateway to Express Route. Click Connections, click Add, select the resource group, connection type, Express Route, name, connection, region East, next, select the Virtual Network Gateway, select the Express Route circuit, leave these options as it is and go to the next option. Do not need tags at this moment. Go to the next option, review and create, and click create. We have waited for some time and observed that BGP neighborship has been advertised automatically. Now we will go to the OCI console and see the BGP neighborship status. If you look at here, the BGP status is up. It means we are good to go for testing. Now for testing, we have logged into the instances running on both the clouds. We will do the ping test to the private IP address of both the machine to verify the inter-cloud connectivity. ipconfig. So the IP address is 10.4. It is working fine. Now we'll check the IP address of this machine. This is 172.16.0.106 and it is reachable. So this is how we have performed the lab of OCI Azure Intercloud Connectivity. I hope the session has been informative. Thank you so much.